Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now, if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. All right, how you doing? So we're going to make this today. Now this is yellow split peas, boiled away, and then we're going to cook it with some vegetables, garlic and ginger, and some turmeric. It's really simple. Cannot stop making it. Just like I said, it's just so versatile. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. By the way, vegetarian and vegan. So what I have here is 1 cup tomato, 1 cup onion, 1 cup bell pepper, 1 cup mushrooms. Now that's what I'm using there, but think about adding some carrots in there, some potatoes, celery, anything actually goes. 3 teaspoons of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, about 1 inch or so of ginger. I've probably got a lot. I love ginger, so you might want to put less in. And then I've got some fresh chili here. Now these are not crazy hot. They've got a bit of heat to them, maybe a kind of sort of jalapeno type sort of heat, but yeah, if you want to use something hotter you can, and you can see the amount I've got there, maybe 2 tablespoons. We're obviously going to use some yellow split peas, which I'll show you in a moment. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add salt and pepper. Okay, so I've just cooked these. You can see they're still hot. I cooked 3 cups, and they've sort of swelled up, of yellow split peas. Added a little bit of salt. They really got loads of lovely, beautiful flavour in them. Okay, let's get moving. So you're going to need a pan, obviously, or a wok or something. Like I'm using this little thing here. I've got 3 tablespoons of oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil, but you can change that if you want. Let's drop in the garlic and the ginger. And like I say, go quite heavy on this. This is going to give us the main flavour. And then to that, we're going to add 1 cup of onion. And we're going to go for about 3 minutes on an above medium heat. Really wonderful. Next up, we're going to drop in our 1 cup of tomatoes. Now, apart from the onions, you can see I've cut everything else really quite small. Nice big pinch of black pepper and salt. And if you had carrots or celery or raw potatoes, you want to get them in now as well. We're going to go for 4 or 5 minutes now. I want to cook those tomatoes down a bit. Stay on this above medium heat. So the tomatoes are just starting to collapse. At this point, we're going to add in our mushroom, our bell pepper, and we're going to go for another 3 minutes. Beautiful. Now we're going to add in that chili. Like I said, it's not crazy hot, that one, but you can change that if you fancy a bit more fire. The turmeric, and the cooked yellow split peas. Okay, 4 minutes, stirring pretty much all the time now. Really fabulous. Now we're going to add some water. I've got some warm water here, enough to sort of cover it. Maybe there's a pint there, maybe a pint of water. Okay, we want this to stew out now, so we're going to let it go for about 8 or 9 minutes. You can give it a stir every now and then. So look, I'm about halfway through. Now you can eat it like this and kind of have it kind of quite soupy if you want, but I'm going to go for about another 4 or 5 minutes. and reduce it down. So definitely don't put a lid on this because you need it to evaporate out. But yeah, if you want it in a kind of more soupy type form, there you go. But yeah, I'm going to keep going. Okay, so that's good for me now. You can see that. Look at that, beautiful. I mean, you can go even more if you want and get it drier, but that's great. Off goes the heat. A little bit of lemon juice or lime juice, just like, you know, 2 or 3 teaspoons. Cilantro, coriander. We're going to give that a mix. Check that for salt. It's going to be fabulous for me. I'm really, really happy with this. Like I say, I can't stop making this one. That's it. Let me get that on the table for you. Beautiful. And that really is an absolute winner. Anything goes. Like if you want to put some potatoes in there, carrots in there, celery in there, zucchini in there, eggplants in there. It's just really, really versatile, really simple. Now, if you wanted, I just put turmeric in, which I'm happy with. But you could just put some curry powder in if you want to kind of spice it up a bit more. But that is lovely. Super happy with that one. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.